Hello friends, if you are trying to download Paytm secure UPI payments app, but you could not download it, so you can see a error of your device is not compatible with this version. So what is the reason behind this error and how can you solve it? So the error, that is a common and frustrating error message, especially with your older mobile phones. And that message often seen when you trying to download an app, like on Google Play Store, means the software or hardware requirement for the app are not met by your device. Okay, so you can fix it by some method. First is go to your setting on your phone, then go to the apps, which is on app manager. Find the Google Play Store app, tap on storage and cache, tap clear cache and the clear storage, and this will reset the Google Play Store, and you can restart your phone and trying to download it up again. If this method did not work, you can try second method, which is go to the app listing page on your store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the exact minimum requirement for the app. They may be able to explain the specific reason of why your device is blocked. So if this method did not work, so you need to replace your device with the latest feature. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.